Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is the soft moong dal roti. No one believes that the children don't want to eat pulses at my home or any kind of dal. So lots of dal has been remaining at home. So I thought, how can I make them eat these pulses? Because this is so important to eat, especially for children. Take some moong dal which has been soaked last night. Take 1 green chilli and half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and little salt. Grind it well. Then take some wheat flour, add a little salt and the grind dal mixture we will add and knead it well to make a soft dough. We will add this mixture slowly. Keep the dough covered and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I made some toast and had it with the tea and some biscuits. After that, we will make the rotis as usual. We will make them in a simple rotis shape one by one. We will be making. So I wanna tell you, to be honest, if your children showing some tantrums if they don't wanna eat, so this type of methods you can make it soft roti, so they will not recognize that you did add some any kind of pulses. And it taste was so delicious, little bit different, but it seems like that we are eating this roti with the curry, so little bit it's seeming matching the taste. So it's looking normal roti. It was so soft, it's easy to eat, as you can see. If you like this type of thing, so please like, share and subscribe Easy Cooking and Life.